Imagine standing before a mirror, not just seeing your reflection, but glimpsing the soul of another. What if every relationship we forge is a reflection of ourselves, revealing our hidden truths and unspoken fears? In a world where we seek connection, could it be that our greatest challenge lies in understanding the very mirrors we hold up to one another? Today we delve into the concept of mirror souls. These are not just romantic ideals, they are profound connections that reveal who we truly are. In the early 1990s, researchers in Italy discovered mirror neurons in macaque monkeys. These neurons fired both when the monkeys performed an action and when they observed another monkey performing the same action. This groundbreaking finding has profound implications for understanding empathy and social behavior in humans. It suggests that our ability to connect with others is hardwired into our biology. The discovery of these neurons opened a new frontier in neuroscience. It illuminated how deeply intertwined our emotional lives are with those around us. Marco Iacoboni's book Mirroring People, The New Science of How We Connect with Others, explores how these mirror neurons shape our interactions and emotional connections. He illustrates how observing someone else's joy or pain can trigger similar feelings within us, creating an invisible thread that binds us together. Similarly, Jean Decety's The Empathic Brain delves into how our brains are wired to connect through shared experiences. Together, these works highlight an unexpected insight. Empathy is not just a moral choice but a biological imperative. Research indicates that engaging with others' emotions activates similar neural pathways in our brains. This raises questions about selfhood and interconnectedness. If our emotions are mirrored by others, what does it mean for individual identity? Are we truly separate beings or part of a larger emotional tapestry? Consider this: when you laugh at a friend's joke or feel sadness at their loss, you are participating in a dance of shared humanity, a reminder that your existence is woven into theirs. We often think of mirror souls as two halves of a perfect whole, reflecting each other's strengths and virtues. But what if they are actually opposites? Imagine two people who seem to clash at every turn, one impulsive and adventurous, while the other cautious and methodical. Instead of mirroring each other, they challenge one another, forcing growth in ways they never anticipated. The relationship becomes a dance of contrasts where each flaw enhances the other's strength. In this light, their bond is not about finding harmony but embracing discord to create something uniquely beautiful. Consider famous duos throughout history like Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, who complemented each other's strengths while also challenging one another's weaknesses. And Jobs' visionary ideas were often tempered by Wozniak's technical expertise. Together they created something revolutionary: the personal computer, by navigating their differences rather than avoiding them. In a world where we often seek validation in others, have we forgotten that our true reflection lies with it? What if every encounter is merely a glimpse into our own soul? Each interaction serves as an opportunity for introspection. It invites us to examine what resonates within us and what triggers discomfort or conflict. Think about your own relationships. How do they reflect your inner self? Do you find yourself drawn to those who share your passions or those who challenge your beliefs? Reflect on moments when you felt understood versus times when you felt misunderstood. These experiences shape your perception of self-worth and belonging. Have you ever thought about how your daily choices shape your future? Every decision creates ripples across time. Every interaction leaves an imprint on both yourself and others involved. When you choose kindness over indifference or courage over fear, you carve out pathways toward deeper connections not only with others but also within yourself. This exploration invites you to consider: what kind of mirror do you want to be for those around you? Are you reflecting positivity and encouragement or negativity and doubt? As we navigate through life's complexities together through laughter shared over coffee cups or tears shed during difficult conversations, we must remember this fundamental truth. Relationships serve as mirrors reflecting back not only who we are but also who we aspire to become. This journey towards understanding ourselves through others is ongoing. It requires vulnerability yet promises growth beyond measure. Embrace it fully. Share your thoughts below because together let us dive deeper into this intricate web called life.